Want to create a professional animated PowerPoint presentation that stand out? In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to design a modern and stunning PowerPoint slide with smooth animation using the Morph transition. Let's get started. First, let's set up the background. Right click on the thumbnail. Select duplicate to create 4 copies. Now, right click again, go to Format Background and click on Picture or Texture Fill. Go to File, select an image and insert it. Repeat this process for all 4 slides to ensure a consistent background. Now, let's enable grid lines and guides to ensure perfect alignment. Next, let's add some modern design elements. Go to Home tab, select rounded rectangle and drag it. Drag the yellow dot to make the edge smoother. Change its background color to black and remove the outline. Now, duplicate the shape and increase transparency to 40% to give it a sleek modern look. Let's now reduce the size and duplicate 4 times to create a structure layout. Select all, go to Align, select Distribute vertically, then group them for easy adjustment. Once done, ungroup them for individual editing. Now, let's create a stylish image frame. Select a rectangle shape, drag it, also select oval shape, select both, go to merge shape and choose subtract to create a cutout effect. Select rounded same slide corner rectangle, rotate it 90 degrees. Duplicate it and flip it vertically. Select both, go to merge shape and choose union to combine them into one. Change the color, remove the outline and increase transparency to 40% for a modern feel. Right click, cut the shape and paste it as a picture for more flexibility. Then go to Format, click on Crop and adjust it as needed. Go to Home tab, select round rectangle, adjust the edges and align it in the middle. Make 5 copies of this shape and fill them with the slide background fill option. Select the first rectangle, go to Shadow Effect and select Inside Shadow for depth. Increase distance, adjust blur and reduce transparency to enhance the effect. Insert a text box, type your title, change the font style, increase size and bold it. Duplicate it, reduce the font size and add supporting presentation details. Select this and send it to the back to create a layer effect. Now, let's insert image inside the shape to create a clean visual effect. Select a round rectangle, go to Picture or Texture Fill, click on File and insert an image. Repeat this process for all 4 rectangles to maintain consistency. Now, select all shape, go to Shape Outline, choose White and increase the width for crisp, clean look. Finally, apply an outer shadow effect to make the design pop. Now come the magic. Let's animate our slide for a seamless transition. Select all slides, go to transition and choose Morph. This will create a smooth modern animation between slides. And that's it. You have just created a stunning animated PowerPoint presentation with modern design elements, seamless transition, and professional layout. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing PowerPoint tricks and tutorials. Comment below if you have any question, and I will happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.